Good morning, Ghana. Today, the 10th of January 2026. Solar Ghana, we are in Adom Estate, Community 25, here installing our pressurized system, solar water heater from Solarmate Ghana. We are now assembling the rack for the system. We will update you as we go along the line. Solarmate Ghana here in Adom Estate. Hello Ghana, we just finished installing a 200-liter pressurized system here in Adom Estates, Community 25, installed by Solarmate team here in Adom Estates. This is how the estate looks like. A 200-liter solar water heater we just finished installing here in Adom Estates.